Engineering. Oh, hello. Isn't that great? You know, I was pondering, how does one become an engineer? Where does an engineer work? First and foremost, what is engineering? Well, let's ask a couple of friends of mine to enlighten us.
An industrial engineer is really an efficiency expert.
Engineers use math and science to solve problems.
Engineering is about taking problems that no one knows how to solve and solving them.
That means seeing a product from the beginning to the end. You deal with the people, the resources, the planning, the design.
Industrial engineering is really people and process development.
Engineers make things, industrial engineers make things better.
It offers you so many opportunities in so many areas.
We're the ones who make the world go around.
What can you do with an industrial manufacturing engineering degree from NDSU? Well, you can work here, or 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 here.
One of the advantages we have in our company, C&H Case New Holland, is a very large corporation. We've got operations all over the world. The thing that sold me on it was the people aspect, because you not only have the science and the math, but you've got great involvement with people. And if you like variation in your career, then that people involvement makes it go.
Someone who has a more mechanical aptitude is going to perform better, and we look for experiences people have had that would lend themselves well, and we look for experiences for how well they deal with people.
One of the most important skills would be creativity, to be able to look at things in a new way, to apply the experiences and the education they've had, but to be totally open to other people's opinions and be able to communicate with them.
We bottle, manufacture, and distribute thousands of products on a daily basis. An order that we process at Swanson Health Products used to cost roughly $2.50 per order to ship. By the time we picked the items and shipped them, now it's about less than $1 after 3 years of process improvement.
There can be different things happening every single day, and that's what kind of keeps engineering exciting, is that you'll never know what one kind of idea someone might have that you might need to take a look at and try to implement and improve that process. You have to be intelligent to be an engineer. Obviously, a lot of people have an engineer kind of on a pedestal. They're very respected, and you have to want to be challenged to be an engineer. You're always going to be challenged. It's a very respected job, and along with that comes a lot of responsibility.
I interned through the Career Center. I actually interned here at Integrity. I interned for a full year, and then after that I was hired on full-time. So the experience I gained during my internship definitely benefited me for my full-time position.
It's not so much that you're just sitting in a cubicle all day long. There's a lot of interaction, and it's always changing. You're always doing something different from day to day, from month to month, from year to year. I've had this job for 3 years now, and I can honestly say that it's never been the same for the entire 3 years.
With an engineering degree, you can go do whatever you want to do. If you want to go be a quality engineer, for example, and deal with statistics and tolerancing and all that kind of stuff, you can go do that. If you want to be a process developer, you can go do that. Maybe you want to design product. I get to be a part of designing the windows that we're making, as well as working on the processes that we're going to use to assemble those windows. So there's just a ton of things that you can do with that.
Oh, well, it's great. We've heard from some professionals in the field. Now, let's hear from some students and teachers at NDSU. Here we go.